Hey, what's going on? What's going on? It's your boy 5. Johnny Mac 52199. Come on, side of Kylie, John, Lisa, Juliana, Ivy Ann, and Wanda is there. So today, as I go into this room, Mom's room, well, technically Kylie's room. Today was supposed to be game 3 of the season. Well, I'm afraid I've got some bad news. Game 3 is canceled. So, instead of baseball highlights, we are going to the... Where are we going, Lisa? The food truck festival. Yep. My Boston Red Sox hat. You son of a beep! So we're headed off to the food truck festival. And this is going to be the vlog today, guys. Because our game got canceled. And it's sunny as out!
Yeah, why the hell did it get canceled? Unless the other, like I told Mom, unless the other team couldn't make it. The majority of it.
Yeah, maybe. Or it was going to be too dark and they couldn't get the lights on.
Or that.
There's a lot of... There's a lot of explanations. What? Until what? No, I didn't say that. I said there's a lot of explanations. So, bye, Mom. Bye. We are on the road, as it's now windy, to the food truck festival. Gotta make sure that's shut. So I will catch you guys when we get there. So we made it. The food truck festival. I don't know if you guys can hear that. That sounds like copyright music. You know what that means? Montage. She thinks I'm playing. I cannot afford copyrighted music. That is exactly why last week I used Screw, Bam, and that free.
Juliana said
So,
shut up, John.
Slow. Yeah, the links.
Four, baby.
Yeah?
Links will be in the description of their songs in that video, so check that out. Also, we just found out that next week is our 9 o'clock game. Yeah, that's how I feel. And it's an hour. What is it? An hour drive?
I don't know. I'm scared to look it up.
I think it's an hour drive, so I think we have to leave at like 7. Ugh, fuck my life. Anyway, I also found out last night that Back to the Yard is going to be Doo-Hop's last match. I feel special. So Doo-Hop, if you're watching this, thank you.
Hey, can I say hi to
I caught that on camera. She said, "Can I say hi to Doo-Hop?" Nothing. So yeah, Back to Yard is going to be very, very entertaining. Stay tuned to the end of this for a skit, maybe.
Apparently, we have some big news too.
What?
Back to your yard.
What?
Do they know that yet?
What?
Touch the Jeep. Not your
What?
Jeep to touch. He just...
I just said it. Watch the product, you Mark. That will also be for the United States Championship and the tag team titles that came in. So we are set.
They're mine.
They are not yours. They are Kurt Bales or Ed Lance's or Jay Evans and Tony Toombs.
She's like, what's going on with this picture? Something's not right.
Something ain't right.
You like it, you're not pushing her.
So,
Absolutely not.
join us for the montage of the food truck festival. And then maybe afterwards, we will do a skit.
Hold on.
Because somebody...
Want to go to the food festival?
No, that's not what I was getting at. But anyway, Lisa, let's enjoy this montage, shall we?
Sure.
Great idea.
Yeah.
I'm very proud of you. Very proud of you.
What did you expect at a food truck festival? You thought it was going to be new lines?
Actually, yeah.
You're stupid.
There's hardly ever any lines in New Jersey.
You're Yes, there is.
Oh, there wasn't? Wow. So we just found out that the Holly Springs coach from the Holly Springs High School canceled the game because he doesn't want to ruin the field.
Yeah.
My guy. John, do you believe this shit? Bro, what? This is why we don't play games at Holly Springs. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Fucking bullshit. And we are off to a burger place. I'll flip the camera. Hold up. That burger truck.
Please don't report me.
So we're just waiting on food now. We got this place. Hold on, we're gonna flip the camera. We got that place. Shot. We got that place. So yeah, we're just waiting on the food. Lisa's on the phone. I can do whatever I want now. Nobody saw it. So after this, we are going home. I think I'm gonna do the skit a little later tonight. And that'll be that. What'd she say? What'd she say? What'd she say? What'd you say?
On the way up.
What did you say?
Want them all the way up? Okay. Thanks
No,
for answering me.
I want them all the way down. Oh, damn, she called you an asshole. So, guys, that is the food truck festival. I don't know how much shit I got. Probably nothing.
It was pretty cool.
Nothing good.
You're nothing good. We still gotta try the food. I can't get out. I'm fat.
I thought it was pretty cool.
I thought it was pretty stupid. So, in a couple hours, give or take, it's like seconds for you guys. I'm gonna do the skit. The following, since people are ridiculous,
We're home, so come on.
since people who watch my shit are ridiculous, the following is entertainment only. Right, Lisa?
Yep.
Okay. Entertainment. Right, Sean?
Yeah.
So, we got a food review. Well, I do. Because nobody else is on camera. Get it done. So this is the burger.
So can I bite into it?
It's got mayonnaise on it. And tomato. I don't like tomato, so... See this? Blah! I don't like tomatoes.
Can I eat it yet?
You're not on camera, so go ahead. So this is its taste. Oh. Yeah, so still good.
I like it.
It's alright. It's not the best. It's alright.
Hey, they gave us what they had. That's all that matters.
Again, not the best, but it's alright. I don't think it's $10 worth.
Bye-bye. I think I got one for free.
Yeah. Yes.
Got one and the fries.
Why?
What's the fries?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, Mom, they gave us all the fries that they had.
I want.
Need salt. Alright guys, I'm gonna go. The following is the skit. For entertainment purposes only! I can't stress that enough. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yes, this is me. Who else's number would you have? Okay, yeah, you got me on that one. Take this, take this, take this. Yeah? Yeah, I still have it. Why? She's the champ. What? You're kidding, right? We're a month away. Not even. Or I'm white. Alright. Have it your way. You guys are assholes, though. Yeah, whatever. Fuck you. We gotta talk.
Why?
Well, first off, she's right there, so, that was the board of directors. They are telling me to strip Kylie, or else they're gonna throw my manager back to the yard. What? Yeah.
Why?
Because she's too young. Sets a bad image.
Too young my ass.
So, mother,
Do a match?
how the fuck am I supposed to do this?
Kylie,
What?
You just
is that a
wanna...
belt that you have?
Yeah.
Yeah, we need it back.
Yeah, I'm gonna beat it up.
No, you don't understand. No, you don't understand.
Kylie, we need it back.
Kylie, you don't understand. Hey, get out of my room, first of all. Okay, you don't understand. We need the belt back. The board of directors want it back.
I want it back.
Yeah, because you can't. You're too young to defend it. Back to the yard.
Yes. I want to do it
No,
back
you
to
can't.
you.
You can't defend it back to the yard.
Why?
Oh my god. This kid doesn't understand. We need it back for back to the yard. You cannot officially win it at back to the yard. Look at me. I'm talking to you.
What's this, Papa?
Jesus Christ. Too many distractions.
Destruction.
Too many distractions. Look. We need the belt back. You cannot defend it at back to the yard. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So that brings us to other news, Lisa. God only knows what this is. Anyway,
What other news?
Jacob versus Deadshot will be for the hardcore title. Yeah. Jacob is not gonna die. What are you doing? Jacob is not gonna die. You're not even booked.
Hey, tell them I'm
Suck
not
it.
kidding. I'm getting a belt back.
Which then takes us to our third point.
Well,
After Back to the Yard, it's no longer 24/7.
I'm not distracting you. Dummies. I'm not.
Don't be mad at me. Be bad at the board of directors. Your mother's the one that sold my freaking share.
she called the board of directors dummies.
I'm telling them. I'm not.
First of all, get off the couch. Sit your butt down.
I'm mad.
Second of all,
Those dummies want me to stop.
apparently,
Match.
apparently, Deadshot has some words for us now. Which, how do we even, contact Deadshot?
I don't know.
Do you know how to contact him? No? Well, I'll see you guys later, I guess. I'm gonna go try to contact him.
Okay, have fun.
Deadshot! Hello? Is he behind the toilet? Is he in the toilet? Deadshot! You in the shower? Deadshot! 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 He's not in my bedroom.
Yes.
No, he's not. Look.
Check.
I don't want to show my room on camera. Deadshot! See, he's not in there.
Check in mommy's bedroom.
Check in mommy's bedroom now.
Right now.
Deadshot! Not outside. I don't know if he was or not. He's an asshole anyway.
I hate to tell you, but Deadshot is dead.
He's not dead. He's in Dream World.
Hey,
I
see?
still know how to get into Dream World.
Here's me more now. Isn't you quiet?
Wait, what the hell? We're losing audio!
Ding dong, Daddy's home. Mac, you think you're so special. You're not really special. You're just special stupid. See, back to the yard, there will be a championship match on your birthday. But it's not going to be me versus Jacob. No. Not going to be me versus Jacob. It will be my follower versus Jacob. And my follower is very, very familiar with you, Mac. He's closer than you realize. Closer than you think to you. Also, since I am very buddy with the board of directors, I think I'm gonna book somebody that's overdue a title shot in this company. Someone who understands my thinking. I have the perfect man. And he is taking home the United States Championship May 22nd. So have fun with your little stupid ass games and your stupid ass kid. And Kylie, you're never gonna be champion again. It's okay. Just learn to accept it. Because you don't want me angry. But I'll see you soon, Mac. When all of Mac Crew has your titles. See you soon, sweetheart.
Lisa, did you just see that video?
Yeah?
Deadshot is not taking on Jacob at Back to the Yard. What have you done?
I didn't do nothing.
You stole my share! What do you mean, nothing? Instead of 50%, I own 30%!
What do you want me to tell you?
Give me the phone. I'm gonna tell him something.
Bro.
Right now.
Oh, Kylie wants to tell
I don't care right now, Kylie. Oh my god. And he's booking the third participant in the MWF United States Championship.
She forgot to tell you.
Wanda, shut up! We're dealing with problems!
I own the other 20, doofus.
No, you don't, doofus! Oh my god. Oh my god, Lisa, what are we gonna do?
I don't know.
What are we gonna do? Back to the Yard is less than a month away! Shh! We are dealing with problems! Oh, Jesus. Guys, subscribe for more. I'll catch you next week for next week's game against, I don't even know who. The Kayaks or the Kakins? Ah, Jesus.
Let's get it. Be in Vegas, nigga. One shot. Everything on the line right now. Everything on the line right now. Everything on the line right now. Everything. And everything on the line right now. Everything on the line right now. Can't waste no time right now. Tryna pull up with my top down. We supposed to the wig lock.